If you go on YouTube and you type in home office setups, you're gonna find that there's one common item among all of them. 90% of setups will have some sort of standing desk. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you why I got a standing desk for myself and why you should get one too. Hello world, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Igor. I am a software engineer based in Portugal. Today we're discussing whether you should get a standing desk for your home office in the making, or if that would be a waste of your hard-earned money. And my answer is yes, you definitely should. We'll be going over the health benefits that owning a standing desk can have, the average price ranges you can find online when searching for a whole assembly, the main feature that you should be looking for when trying to find a new standing desk for you, and by the end of the video I'm going to show you how I picked and assembled my own standing desk, which I think turned out looking awesome. First, the benefits. So when you talk about the benefits that a standing desk can bring to the table, pun intended, there are countless articles online that list the main benefits of owning a standing desk. For me, the main selling point was reduce back pain. Now, humans were not originally designed to stand for long periods of time, and now our backs are paying the price for it. A study conducted by the Stanford University School of Medicine concluded that participants with self-reported chronic lower back pain significantly had their pain reduced over several weeks of use. As a fellow sufferer of lower back pain, this is a pretty great benefit if you ask me. Next up, weight loss. Now, weight gain is ultimately caused by taking in more calories than you burn. So you should either take in less, burn more, or a mix of the above. However, studies also show that compared to an equal amount of sedentary work sitting at a desk, standing can burn over 170 more calories. Over the course of a week, that's almost 1,000 additional calories that you can burn. Next up, better mood and energy. Another study taken over a 2-month period with several participants reported an overall lower level of stress and fatigue than those who remained seated the entire workday. And on top of that, almost all of them experienced increased levels of energy throughout the day. Now, there is already a lot of research that links sedentarism with both depression and anxiety. So having an easy way to spend more time of your workday on your feet while being productive is a sure recipe to keep you clear of both of those. Price range. So here's the deal. You can get so-called standing desks anywhere from 40 to 50 euros and all the way up into the thousands. But it really depends on what type of standing desk you're trying to get. If you're looking for a simple add-on for your existing desk, like these ones that you can find on Amazon, you can get away with spending around 90 to 100 euros to get a good quality one. Now, these sit on top of your existing desk, like a multi-decker shelf that you can rise and lower manually. And they're great if you have a lower budget, but you still want to reap all the benefits of owning a standing desk that we just talked about earlier. So if you already have a regular desk at your home office and you want to add a standing feature to it, and you also have some money laying around, this is the choice I'd go for. Now, moving on to the next step of the standing desk's ladder, we will find the full-size standing desk with manual cranking features like this one, also found on Amazon. Now, these are normal fully sized desks, so if you already have a desk at your office and you're planning to get one of these, the other desk has to find a new home. You can find a whole sort of these desks online, ranging from lower to higher prices, depending on the build materials and the build quality, and also IKEA has some of these manual cranking desks. Around 100 euros you can get one of these at IKEA. Now, the final step up the standing desk ladder is the motorized standing desk that does all of the work for you with the press of a button. Now, this category of standing desks is the most expensive of the three, and rightfully so, but it is also the coolest. Prices start at over 250 euros and can go all the way up into the thousands. If you're looking into a motorized standing desks, there are at least a couple of features that you should consider when comparing different options online. My top ones are memory keys and obstacle awareness. Memory keys are, like the name implies, keys that can memorize something. In this particular case, desk heights. You can raise or lower your desk to a certain height and store it in one of the available slots. Then later, to move the desk to the exact same height, you just press the button and it does all the work for you. Now, the next feature you should be looking for when looking for motorized desks online is obstacle awareness. It is an extremely underrated feature of any motorized standing desk, and it's normally found in desks that also have the memory keys that we just mentioned. Its purpose is to revert the direction of the desk's movement after detecting resistance and to cancel any movement right afterward. Now, this is an incredible feature to have in order to always keep your surroundings and your desk safe. If you happen to neglect something that's in the way of the movement of your desk, this will take care of it for you. So I highly recommend this one, as it has come in handy for me in the past. And to end this video, I'm gonna show you how I chose and assembled my custom standing desk. I say it is custom because you can't find this combination anywhere online, since I chose its components to suit my desire. It has a 1.86 meters long solid oak IKEA kitchen countertop with a matte white Pro motorized frame with memory keys and obstacle detection that came from a company called Ergoni, based in Germany. If you're interested, I'm gonna leave you a link below on the description with both the components that I chose for my desk. The whole assembly came in just short of 600 euros, including shipping. It may seem like a lot, but compared to buying a pre-assembled set, I got more desk space made out from a solid piece of wood, not that cheap plywood or MDF materials, together with a 2-motor, premium and sturdy frame with a ton of features built into it. So I think I really made the right call, and I couldn't be happier. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope to have helped you understand the benefits of owning a standing desk, to understand the types of desks that are out there, and hopefully convinced you in making this investment for yourself. So be sure to let me know in the comments below, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them, and I'm gonna see you on the next video.